Leaders, PDP. Yes. The People's Democratic Party, PDP. Power to the people. Our motto: justice, unity, and progress. Ward 10, Port Harcourt City Local Government Area in Rivers State. This letter dated 17th April 2023. The State Chairman, PDP, Rivers State Charter. Dear Sir, vote of no confidence and suspension of Honorable Dr. Austin Adele Opara, DSSRS, OFR, the former Deputy Speaker, House of Representatives, Mr. IKECHI CHINDA, the former PDP LGA Party Chairman, Mr. Daniel CHINDA, the PDP Ward 10 Secretary, Richard James, the PDP Ward 10 Publicity Secretary, as members of the People's Democratic Party in Ward 10 of Port Harcourt City Local Government Area, Rivers State. The People's Democratic Party Ward 10 executive members met and decided to suspend the underlisted persons because of their anti-party activities towards the just concluded 2023 general election in Rivers State, which is a clear violation of the party's constitution and norms. This suspension of the underlisted persons takes immediate effect. Kindly note that you are not permitted to come to the party. You're not permitted to come to the party premises except contacted. Listed names are as follows: